how to add EBT card on DoorDash. So first of all, you have to open up DoorDash application and then log in or sign in to your account. Now once you're signed in, you can simply tap on your profile icon, then tap on settings. Inside settings, go to payment, and just like that inside here, you need to go ahead and simply select SNAP or EBT card. After that, you can simply enter your EBT card number and save it to your account. You can even add your EBT card during checkout if you are placing a grocery order. Once your card is added, shop at participating store or look for items marked as SNAP eligible. At the checkout, the SNAP eligible total will be applied to your EBT card. Keep in mind that the delivery fees, tips, taxes, and non-SNAP item must be paid with another payment. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.